Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.8, Problem 3. This is Section 2.8, Problem number 3. It says complete the computation 5 over 8 plus 3 over 20. So this is a problem where we need to find the common denominator. I prefer to write problems of this sort in a vertical format. So I'll write 5 over 8 and underneath 3 over 20. And we'll add them together. So now what we want to find is the smallest value that both 20 and 8 both divide into evenly. So you can always make a common denominator by multiplying the two denominators, 8 times 20, 160, but it's not the lowest. There's a better choice. What you want to do is start with, will the smaller one divide into the bigger one? Will 8 divide into 20 evenly? It won't. So take the larger denominator, the 20, double it. Now see if the other denominator will divide in. So if you double 20, that's 40. 8 does go into 40. So 40 is the smallest common denominator. Not the only common denominator, but the smallest one. So I will make both denominators 40. Now let's adjust the numerators. So for the top fraction, 8 times some value will become 40. Well, it must be times 5. So the numerator is times the same value. My numerator of 5 is multiplied times another 5, and I have 5 times 5 is 25. And now for the lower fraction. I have 20 times some value will turn into 40. Well, that some value must be times 2. 20 times 2 is 40. So the numerator is multiplied times the same value, times 2. So the numerator of 3 times 2 is 6. So now I have common denominators. I've changed the problem to 25 over 40 plus 6 over 40. So the answer will have a denominator of 40, the same as the common denominator. And if I combine the numerators, 25 plus 6 more, that would be 31. So we will have a final answer of 31 over 40.